Hey guys, how is it going? It's Yudi here, and today we have an absolute treat for you. It's the highly anticipated itel S23 Plus. And let me tell you, this might just be no, scratch that. This is itel's best phone ever. Hold on to your seats because the itel S23 Plus is here to blow your mind. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can't help but be captivated by its sleek design and premium feel. But what truly sets the itel S23 Plus apart from the rest is the exceptional 6.78-inch 1080p curved AMOLED display. Just look at that curve. But that's not all. The itel S23 Plus is jam-packed with features, and in this review we'll be exploring everything: the design and display, its performance, camera capabilities, and all the hidden gems that makes this phone an absolute unit. So get your swimsuits on as we dive in to explore the features of the itel S23 Plus. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech, let's shoot. Just before we unbox the itel S23 Plus, if you are new to our channel or you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it so that you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. Also like the video as well, as it helps YouTube to show our video to a wider audience. Alright, thank you. Now let's take a look at what's included in the box of the itel S23 Plus. Firstly, we get the hard plastic case, followed by the gorgeous itel S23 Plus device itself. Moving on, we also find the SIM ejector tool, wired earphones, and a Type-C cable. It's important to note that there is no charging brick included in the box, so you'll need to purchase that separately. Anyways, the entire package comes at a price of 148,000 naira. The itel S23 Plus boasts a truly stunning design that exudes a premium look and feel. When you first see it and hold it in your hands, there is no indication that this is a budget phone. It gives off flagship vibes, you know? The itel S23 Plus looks and feels expensive. The matte finish on the rear adds to its appeal, effectively concealing fingerprint smudges. I also love the rear camera setup. It kind of looks like an iPhone. In addition, this phone is incredibly lightweight. It's 7.9mm thin and tipping the scales at a mere 178 grams. And the curved sides of the device further enhance its ergonomic design, allowing for a comfortable grip compared to phones with sharp edges. The itel S23 Plus is offered in two colors: Lake Cyan, which is the color I have here, and then Elemental Blue. On the left side of the device we have nothing, and that's because the buttons are on the right. That's the volume and power buttons. At the bottom you find the speaker grill, Type-C port, primary microphone, and the dual 4G SIM slots. So there is no memory card slot here, but do you really need a memory card? The device provides ample storage, 256GB, so no need. By the way, there is no headphone jack. I don't know what itel was thinking here, but thankfully there is a Type-C headphone in the box. To use normal headphones, you need to use this adapter. Big, sharp, bright, 1080p, AMOLED, slim bezels, vibrant, crisp, vivid, immersive, curved. All words to describe the display on the itel S23 Plus. The 6.78-inch 1080p curved display on the itel S23 offers an immersive viewing experience, and the AMOLED technology provides vibrant colors and deep blacks for enhanced visual quality. The display boasts a wide color gamut of 99% DCI-P3 and 400,000:1 contrast ratio. It's worth mentioning that the itel S23 Plus includes protection for the display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. itel also offers complimentary screen replacement for up to 6 months after purchase, along with a 3-year warranty. So if you do break your screen during the first 6 months, you'll be covered by itel. itel has also designed a screen guard specifically for the itel S23 Plus, which features a curved shape that wraps around the display seamlessly. I'm really impressed with the display on the itel S23 Plus. It offers sharp visuals, thin bezels, a punch hole selfie camera, and a remarkable 93% screen to body ratio. This doesn't look like an itel device. The display is bright with a peak brightness of 500 nits. In fact, it seemed brighter to me as I was able to use it comfortably outdoors under direct sunlight. The fingerprint scanner is under the display. It's an optical fingerprint scanner that is actually quite fast. Also, because it's an AMOLED display, we get always on displays and you can choose from different styles. You can also choose to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button. With the itel S23 Plus, you get a generous 8GB of RAM, and if needed, you can expand it to 16GB via memory fusion. As for internal storage, it offers an impressive 256GB capacity, which should be more than enough for a majority of users. In terms of performance, the itel S23 Plus is powered by the Unisoc T616 chipset. It's a 12nm processor that delivers solid performance. Interestingly, it bears a resemblance to the MediaTek Helio G88, and in fact, the Unisoc T616 performs slightly better in terms of CPU performance. By looking at the Geek Bench scores, you can clearly see the impressive performance of the itel S23 Plus. It even outperforms the Tecno Spark 10 Pro with the MediaTek Helio G88. This makes the itel S23 Plus the superior choice for everyday tasks, social media apps, and video editing. Moreover, gaming on the itel S23 Plus is really good. Although the MediaTek Helio G88 on the Spark 10 Pro boasts a higher GPU frequency, the Unisoc T616 on the itel S23 Plus is built on a smaller 7nm fabrication process, which I think makes it perform better than the MediaTek Helio G88. When you compare the Antutu score, it becomes evident that the itel performs better, and you can even play games on high settings with minimal lag. The gaming experience on the itel S23 Plus is smooth. Games such as Dream League Soccer 2023, Asphalt 9 and eFOOTBALL 2024 were played on high settings. However, for more demanding games like Genshin Impact, you'll need to lower the settings. The itel S23 Plus on itel OS 13 comes with Android 13, offering a range of features such as peak proof, theft alert, smart panel, social turbo, game mode, and much more. But one standout software feature is Aviana AI Assistant. What sets it apart from other AI assistants is due to its integration with ChatGPT. This integration enables Aviana to perform advanced tasks such as generating code, writing emails, generating content, and providing detailed answers to complex questions. Additionally, the itel S23 Plus supports NFC, so if you own a business, you'll be able to receive payments without needing a POS device. The camera setup on the S23 Plus has impressive megapixels. The rear camera features a 50 megapixel sensor, the second camera is an AI camera, and the third ring is a flash. The front-facing camera is equipped with a 32 megapixel sensor. Both the rear and front-facing cameras have the capability to shoot 1080p video at 30 fps. Now I'm going to share some sample shots taken with the itel S23 Plus, and I invite you to judge the quality of the photos for yourself. You can leave your thoughts in the comment section below. In my opinion, the camera performance of the itel S23 Plus is not its strongest aspect. I find the selfies to be quite good. They are sharp and detailed, and the selfie portraits also display a clean look. The selfie camera looks better than the main camera for me. Here's a quick comparison. Which do you think is better? Both were taken from the same distance. So guys, this is video from the main camera of the itel S23 Plus shooting in 1080p. So let me know what you think of the video quality as well as the microphone's audio quality in the comments below. So you'll be the judge for yourself if you like the quality or not. Let me know in the comments below. Hey guys, so this is the selfie video of the itel S23 Plus, currently shooting in 1080p at 30 fps, which is the highest the itel S23 Plus can go. So let me know what you think of the video quality as well as the audio quality of the microphone in the comments below. 5000 mAh battery is what we get on the itel S23 Plus, which will be able to last the whole day. It's capable of 18 watts of fast charging, but there is no charger in the box, which is a huge bummer, so you'd have to buy the charger separately. With an 18-watt charger, you'll be able to charge the itel S23 Plus from 0 to 100% in 2 hours. I like that the S23 Plus will stop charging automatically once it reaches 100%. We also get AI Smart Charge that learns your charging routine and can adjust the charging speed accordingly. So that concludes my review. In conclusion, the itel S23 Plus lives up to the hype. It offers a sleek design, a stunning curved AMOLED display with slim bezels, and a premium feel. The phone's performance is good thanks to 16GB of RAM and a Unisoc T616 chipset. While the camera performance may not be the strongest aspect, the selfies stand out with sharp pictures. The battery life and charging is also good. Just remember that you need to buy the charger separately. Overall, the itel S23 Plus is a solid choice for those seeking a budget-friendly phone with impressive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoots, and you'd see me in my next video. See.